Follow these steps to restock your Spectra Smart Cooler using the OPS app. Make sure you have the OPS app downloaded from your App Store. Log in and tap the Restock button on the bottom. At the top of the page, you can see your restocking metrics. Scroll down to find the machine you want to restock. When you are physically at the machine you want to restock, press the Restock button. You can use the manual restock mode. If you are at the machine, you can press the Unlock and Open Door button at the bottom. The door is now unlocked. If you don't open the door before it times out, usually about 20 seconds, you will need to unlock the door again. Find the product you would like to restock and tell the system how many of each item you will be adding to the machine. Now place the products in the physical machine. In this example, we are adding Pepsi and Dr. Pepper to our Spectra Smart Cooler. When you are done, press Continue at the bottom. Take a photo of the machine products. Press Save and Complete when done. The Inventory Audit section helps you confirm the amount of product you have in your Smart Cooler. Here, you can unlock the machine to count the actual amount in each selection, update and correct quantities, check product expiration dates, and report any damaged items. Here, we can type in the correct quantities seen in the machine, then submit audit and reason for discrepancies. Close the cooler when the audit is complete. The Inventory Records section here shows historical records for your machine.